सो यो मोस्ट वेलकम टू रिकॉर्डर. सो बहुत दिनों के बाद हम मिल रहे हैं. सो इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज कि मेरा थोड़ा एकेडमिक्स था और मेरी तो तबीयत भी ख़राब थी बीच में, लाइक 1-2 दिन के लिए ज़्यादा खास ख़राब नहीं थी तबीयत, लेकिन हाँ मेरे इंटरनल एग्जाम से तो मैं कुछ कर नहीं पाया. सो सो इन टुडेज टॉपिक आप देख सकते हो कि मैं फॉर्मल स्पेसिफायर इन सी के बारे में बताने वाला हूँ. तो लेट्स कंटिन्यू दिस टिक इन C, I mean English. Okay. So as you can see, I'm gonna explain about format specifier in C. So this is typically what is format specifier. So it is typically something which is used to print some integer, like some keywords, like integer. If you want to print an integer, you need percentage d or percentage I. So similarly, if you want to print a decimal value, single character, multiple character, you need a different type of format specifier for C. Maybe in other languages there are many other things I didn't explore, but for as of in C there is only this format specifier. So how they are used, for what they are being used, so let's discuss that. So as you can see, this percentage d and percentage I, these two are used for integer values, and then percentage f is used for float values. Percentage lf is used for double values. So what is float and what is double? So float is a decimal values where decimal points are up to 7 numbers, 7 decimal points as you can say. For this 7 points, it is applicable only for 7 points. If you want to go more further, you need to use double keyword. So double is a keyword or a data type. For this you need to use lf, percentage lf as a format specifier to print. So double is extended to the more 8 numbers. It means after decimal there are 15 numbers. Okay. Percentage c, this percentage c is used for single character. If you want to print only a, if you want to print only number like 4, percentage c is very useful for that. As you can see, I have written here that single character, and the char is the data type or keyword. So percentage s is used for multiple character, as here I said percentage c is used for single character. So here percentage s is used for multiple character. Percentage o is used for octal number. Percentage octal number means 8 numbers. So what if you want to print an 8 digit number, so you use percentage o. So percentage x is used for hexadecimal number. So hexadecimal number is like after decimal there are 6 numbers, so if you want to print those, you can use percentage x. Percentage e is typically for scientific calculation, like 1.2 into e to the power of 304 or 10 power, something like that. So these are the specific format specifier which we use in C. So I will show you the different uses of these, like percentage d, percentage f, percentage lf, percentage c. I will show you how these are used. So let's go to our code editor. So as you can see, I have opened my code editor, which is VS Code. So my file name is c.c. So let's start our basic code. It is hash include stdio.h and then int main function, then int main block. So this curly braces is called as int main block. You can say as main block also. So now int, I'm assigning a variable name as age. So age is being specified as int. So we are assigning a value to the age as 18, semicolon. Then float. In float I am gonna keep salary. Let's say the salary is 20k, means 20,000, 2.2, 3, something like that. It's your wish. So I am taking only one value, as you will be having some doubt that I have said you that we will taking 7 decimal points for float. So it is after output. Compiler will get to know that it is a float, so it automatically prints the 7 points, or maybe it will be 0. After 3 there is no number, so it will print 0 0 0 0. So that's all. So now I am using double. So I mean, just a minute, sorry. So now I am gonna print double. So this double, in this double I'm gonna save it as something like number like pi is equals to 3.14. That's it. You will say actually 3.14 has a 15 digit number, I mean like after decimal. So like there is a big value I don't remember, and automatically anyhow it will show other 13 numbers as 0. Maybe let's see, I too don't know what the outcome will be. And then after I am using a char, and char I am just keeping a grade simply. And in grade, see, char is always specified with a single quote like a, that's it. Now we need to print it. So as I said, for printing we use printf, left parenthesis open, double quotes open, \n. So this \n is used for giving you output to the next line. So %d, okay, after this comma age, semicolon. Let's just paste it, I mean copy it, so that we are not writing it every time. Just a minute. Okay, so in place of age I'm gonna write it as salary, and in place of D I'm gonna write it as F. After here then printf once again, then here I'm gonna write it as pi, and here as LF, and then once again here I am gonna write it as grade, and then here as C. Now this is what the code looks like if you want to print int, float, double, char. These are also called as data type. So data type is a specific, it is used for what type of data is being specified. So in age we have specified an int data type. Int refers to integer, float refers to decimal values up to 7, double refers to decimal values up to 15 decimal points, char refer to the single character. So similarly also on string and all, long string, long int and all. So now I want to run this code. Let's go run, start debugging. Oh, okay, debugging there. So now we are gonna write gcc file name, as said, gcc, then file name, after that ./a.exe is must and compulsory. So as you can see, this is something which we are missing. So if you have noticed it, that's great. And genuinely I'm not gonna be a typical teacher what they say that I'm testing you that you just noticed or not, but yeah, I didn't wrote something which was important, at my bad. So return 0 is must and compulsory, you should know. Then after running it, once again gcc, then file name ./a.exe, boom. So yeah, as you can see, your values has been printed. So yeah, there I don't know like why it's not printing properly. So yeah, this is how the code looks like if you want to print. Let's change D as I and run it once again. So let's see, do we get a value as 18 or any error? As of now I can't see any error, but still, yeah, we can see our rating value is been printed. So this is how format specifier is used. So now, to know how this is being used, you can say that age is an integer. We have specified age as integer. So this age will go to percentage I or percentage d to so that percentage I or d can say to the compiler that whatever the value age is having is an integer type. Similarly, salary is specified as float. So float salary will go to percentage f, and this percentage f will say to compiler that uh, whatever the value salary is holding, that is a float. So this is how the thing works. And what is a compiler? If you are just having a doubt, so compiler sorry, so compiler is something that converts a high programming language like C, Python, Java to machine code, which is binary language, you can say. So that's all for today, and next video will be on maybe on loops, what and conditional statements. So stay tuned for those videos, and definitely my personal growth videos will also be uh, uploading in upcoming days. So from now onwards I will be regular, so don't worry, and maybe you will see this video by tomorrow, and yeah, that's it. So just stay tuned for the next video. I hope you enjoyed. So like the video, share the video, and do subscribe the channel. So thank you.